Welcome everyone. So today I'll be completing a new Discord event named as Branch Operation 13, in which I'll be getting a legendary skin of my choice. In this, my main task is to play a CPC battle, and there are three conditions in which first of all I have to get 13 kills, and I have to hide after 13 kills are done, and no more finishing anyone else, and I can use only one mech, and my team should win and my mech should not die, and I'll be not, and as always, no SP dropping, and there is some criterias for your mech and weapon. The difference in the mech of the difference in the rank of the mechs is allowed 1 star extra. The difference in the rank of weapon is allowed 2 star extra, and all pilot and implant must be upgraded to at least level 3, and on all mechs at least one mod is upgraded to at least level 3. So these are some criteria, and no use of artificial underrating hanger for like lighter bots, and this which is disqualification as always. And you can use any mech to complete these objectives. There is no nothing to worry, just no SP dropping and at all. And yes, and last date of submission is 29 of May. So yes, let's so here it is. I choose Deadwalker, and there is one player against me. Okay, so let's go. These bots. I'll be only able to capture one control point, and I'll be in between this pillar here, and let's shoot here. One kill and no dimension. Oh, he's using fuse mortar. Okay, no problem. Here it is. Okay, 2-2 max. Let's kill this one also. Oh, I ruined this. Oh no. Okay, fine. Thanks, bot. That was even not my kill. White king. Yes. Let's go for it. Okay. Russian. He was not even looking to me. There is a motor. Oh, he's there. I'll be going after this thing. No, let's not disturb him. Let he do his camping. That will be better for me. Okay, there's some nice max kills. I got assist. That's a bad one. And this position is great. Okay, let's hold their kills. Nice. Oh, little bit damage. There is no mech to kill him, so I'll be doing this. Oh no. Fine. I have a lot of SP. And what's that? Okay. It's kill sword with pod guns.
Make them fight.
Okay, let's kill him. Okay. I'll be going for Dead Panther because it's one hit mech. Let's see. This is what. Thanks for that mortar. I was rather expecting to just kill him. Oh, nice. He's there. Okay, a damage to which is it Aegis? That I check the points. Okay. So only one kill left, and then I'll be hiding, or you can say running from player. For what I don't need to worry about. Okay, he's coming to hide. He can't do anything nice. This challenge has been completed in my first battle only, so this video won't be going long. And bots kill him again. That's so bad. So nice. All criteria accomplished. That walker here. 13 kills, 2 captures. And yes. Yes, you can see this. 13 kills and these are objectives. And my MP as that walker using Soundtrack 12 and 10. Thanks for watching.